So I made it. My hat is soaking wet, not because of any rain, because I knew the sun is going to come out. This morning this whole area here was cloudy, but I knew as I proceeded to that mountain behind me, I knew that the sun is going to come out, because that's Rustenburg. It happened like that. So now I'm just going to sit and cool down a bit, get myself hydrated, and then look for myself any spiders or ticks on top of me, and then quickly take some pictures of the towers again, and then I'll proceed down with the vehicle. I need to get dry first. Soaking wet. Soaking wet. Look at my little blaze there. Sure. Well, I walked almost 2 hours, I think 3 hours maybe. Alright.